Now again, Jollibee.
Back to Jollibee. Strawberry taco. Sarap. Parang strawberry. Lagagan.
Drive-through. You can have a drive-through ice cream.
You see this?
Good workout though. Sumali na yun. Oli ako din eh. Ha?
Baguio.
Everywhere we go.
Ano? Sabi mo?
Kakain lang. Kakain ulit. Non-stop kain.
Ano nga to?
Look at that. Cheesy meal.
Everything. Ito na, everything.
Oh, yeah. Cheesy.
I mean,
Well-
your ice coffee is fine.
Yeah, pero...
Everything looks...
No. Yung tortilla ba? Yung tortilla chips is so... Wait.
SM City Baguio.
Bagyao?
SM City ano? Saan sabi mo?
Bagyao?
Gag. No, Baguio yan. For the flower.
They have incredible hope.
Sir, dumas kong balay. Silingan.
It almost looks the same, especially the $5 one. And then they even have it.
United States and then Filipino-Japanese. $5. Ano may pangalan mo?
What is it? 50?
Japanese government issued Philippine peso or
The
Japanese
50 is
peso.
smaller.
50?
50.
Anong bibili ni sir?
So this is nice over here. Very nice.
Mangga dyan dito. Mangga dun man sa oo, masarap yung mangga dun pero wala masyado. Dito na lang ako sa party. Plus 100, 250 ali. Maganda kasi yung mga flower dito, bebo, kasi malamig.
Hindi ba siya mainit? No, yeah. Ganda rin.
Tamang-tama lang yung cream. Fruit tasting. Try the strawberry.
Well,
Aslong.
it's as long.
Sour.
You
Yeah.
have to try this.
Hmm?
That one should be a lot sweeter because it's black.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Sweet.
A little bit sweeter. You got
We're gonna run around first. First on this side.
yeah.
At saka mami pares with rice and egg.
Dito na kainin mo. Ito was beef.
So how was it?
Beef.
How was it?
Mm.
Walang mga tables dito. Puro stalls lang ito.
Sige, pagpatibay na relationship.
Ay, sana all.
Sana all.
Okay, taste test.
Yeah.
Nasaan tayo doon?
Taste test. for my bubbles. Diba?
Hold on.
It's scrumptious. Taste. Grating.
Sarap.
And sauce over my pinky.
Diba, pampatibay daw ng ginusun. Oh my God.
Ano? Hindi maliliit.
Tin. Pantay lang mo. Pantay lang. Salamat. Ay, ganito siya. Tanggulo sa Baguio.
Amazing.
Sour yung ano,
Yeah.
yung sour?
It's supposed to be like that. So it's like when you coat it with
It
sugar,
match.
it matches. Yeah.
Nasa ngipin ko lahat.
Kano to? 50?
Overload, shawarma, 50 pesos only. 50 pesos.
50 pesos. It's a lot for 50 pesos.
Lug.
Good. With a lot of. Wow.
Dami no?
And then may gulay. It's like it has everything.
Mahal.
Pretty. Oh.
Ni, yung size yung inana ni ate.
Malaki. Right now, Babo.
Igorot Kingdom.
Igorot
Bakit
Kingdom?
Igorot Village palagi nasabi ko? Di ba bagay sa'yo? Paano yung sa'yo?
I wonder if, I don't know, like, he was just barely made right now or just it's been like this a long time ago.
Hindi to. Bago to siyang ginawa.
Ah, so ginawa talaga.
Ito talaga yung ano niya. Kalingking 2.0
2.0 with
with a costume.
the costume that is super hot right now.
Really?
This is Bebo's idea.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Dagdag mo ay dagdag. May alipin.
That dude is wearing Crocs. That
Sige.
dude is wearing
Ha,
Crocs. Look at that.
naka-crocs yung isa, no?
What the heck?
Nakabahan kami naka-crocs.
Said SOS.
Close pa. Night market.
Para siya makulo sa ulo.
Nabili mo. Bumalik na naman dito. Same ulam. Same din ulam, but this time with rice.
Walang aircon. This is good. Hindi siya matasin. Yes.
Open lang.
Very open. Very windy. Very windy. Ang laki pa. Okay.
kita. Taste test. Uy. Sweet.
Oh.
Ito pa yung na-harvest natin. Uy, ba't mo kinakain na? Taste test lang. Dami mo na kinakain. Ano gusto niyo to? Oh.
So ano po sina-farm dito? Lettuce, strawberry,
Broccoli.
tomatoes.
Broccoli.
For 2 pounds?
Nagkikwenta na siya.
That's very expensive. Very. The one in Las Vegas is like 1
No,
pound.
Ano pa talaga?
Dancing chicken.
Isang ano din po, isang ito, lobster bo. Tapos isang corn dog ulit. Po? Fried po, fried. At saka isang kimbap. Yeah, oh, yan. Day 4. I got the lobster bowl. Inoki. Na palagi ko nakikita sa internet o sa mga Korean and kimbap. And sa'yo, same thing. Nakita mo yun.
15 this time.
Sarap pa ito.
Chili. Although I tried paloto already in the past.
But this is the new, ano,
Oh, it's like garlic. Hindi siya chili.
ito lang.
Mm. This is.
Pakita mo. Uy, ginuha ko sa Tamaria.
Okay, maybe hindi ko kainin yung beak. Yung ano lang.
Lagay mo dito.
Oh, it's edible.
It is edible. With cheese, 40 pesos. One order only. Ay, sorry. Kebab po, sir, ma'am. Kebab,
Day 3 night eating or market. Mm. Is it better than the pork?
Alat na pork butter, but ang sarap naman yung sauce.
Oh yeah? Like my sauce?
That's nice.
Last night we're leaving, where I'm out. We're soups. I just ate like 4 meals. 4 meals? 3 meals. That's it, I'm done.
Bye, Baguio Night Market.
Goodbye, Baguio. I will never miss you.
Hoy!
I'm just kidding. I'll come back when I feel like it. Bye-bye. Peace.